Like a lot of you might have come through this problem whereby when you search for a particular location, it's going to show that there's a lot of results and you have 2,800. And then when you scroll through, you see that you can already see like 1, 2, 3, 4 sometimes people showing up, or to 7 sometimes, and then it tells you that you might benefit. You have reached the monthly limits for profile search. Upgrade to premium to search and browse for free. Okay, and browse more people. So as you can see, there are many people, but they have hidden it for us. They want us to pay for the premium, and the premium it costs money. Okay, although there's a 1 month trial. All right, there's a 1 month trial, but actually after that they are going to be asking you to pay money. All right, and this trial, as you can see now, see look at it now, it costs 90 29,000 naira, okay, per month. So that is how, that way when you pay this 29,000 naira per month, you are going to be able to browse unlimited people. But we are not going to be paying 29,000 naira per month. So how do we get around that? How to solve the issue of not seeing people to contact using the search feature? When you click on my network, okay, you are going to start seeing people that you can connect with for free. This one does not have any limitation, all right, but the search and filter only help us to, you know, search people based on some criteria that we want. All right, it's for advanced searching, and LinkedIn knows the power of this themselves. That's why they limit it and they want you to pay for it. So now, as you can see now, you can see a lot of people here. You can click on see all, or if you don't want to see all, you can still, when you click on clicking, you can be seeing more people over here to connect with. All right, please don't follow people. Don't follow people, because following is a waste of time. When you follow them, we cannot interact with them. All right, so you just want to connect with them. All right, look at this person now. As you can see, this person, although I can message the person directly, but don't message people that you are not connected with. Don't message people that you are not connected with. We don't want any issue. So we only want to mention people that are connected with us. Okay, so we don't want to, we want to keep our account safe. Only connecting with, so you can see, you can click on connecting. So okay, you can also click see all if you like what is here. And also, as I've said, there are some set of people that we don't want to connect with. All right, there's some set of people that we don't actually want to connect with. Yes, so now those people, when you are searching now, you are going to ignore them. Ignore anybody that is into like digital marketing and entrepreneurship. Anybody that is into digital marketing, anybody that is into um social media marketing, you can still accept graphic design and UX UI design. Computer science, those ones are okay. Power care, digital marketing, no. I'm going to send a list of people that you don't want to connect with, all right? Because there's no need for, wasting our time connecting with people that already know how to use digital marketing already. Okay, to people who are actually, although they might need our help in the future, but we don't want to waste our time on them. They will find us by themselves and they will connect to our product. So you want to use your connection wisely. As you can see, those ones that you can see like banker, doctors, you know, this one experience actually troubleshooting. Yes, you can click designer. This one you can click. Then web designer, web developer, no. Software engineer, backend developer, no. There's no need for clicking on those kind of people. I'm going to send the list to you of people that you do not need to click on. So as you can see here, we have a lot of people that we can click on. Business administration, fine. Supply chain, fine. I love this kind of people. Medical doctor, perfect. Development expert, good. You know, uh, this one is a student. Satisfied data, Google certified data marketing. No, we don't want them. 6%, that's fine. Further analysis, fine, we want it. MIT scholar, collective officer at Fast Money, we want it. Social designer, freelancer, we want it. A little bit, you check more. Designing your vision into reality, we want it. Electrical and instrumental, we want it. Volunteering staff, we want it. Graphic designer, reduce the amount of graphic designer they connect with. Then human office resources officer, we want it. So video editor and graphic, we want it. Customer representative service, we want it. So as you can see, any digital marketing, anything that is related to digital marketing, we don't want them. Digital marketing, website designer, um, social media marketer, we don't want all those kind of people. All right. So when people who are likely to want to use our service effectively, but these ones are fine and they are good to go. So this is how you get unlimited numbers of people to connect with on LinkedIn, and that is what we are going to be currently using right now. All right, to warm up our account. All right, and you are going to have a limit. Some people limit might be 20 at the beginning, but it will keep on growing from 20, 30, 40 every week. It will keep on growing. So you want to start warming your account as possible so that it will keep on increasing your limit. Like my own account now, I can send connection up to 200 people, right? Because the account is old and a lot of people are accepting my connection. That is the work of your profile. Even though because I don't like wearing suits, even though when I wear suit and make my profile more my profile picture more interesting, people are going to accept my connection more, which is what I'm going to do very soon. Only that I don't like wearing suits, but we must do it the way it's been done to get the perfect result. So so this is the way you get unlimited numbers of people to connect with for free without using filter and without you having to pay LinkedIn any money, so that your account can be social media strategies. We don't want it. So you understand what we are looking for. All right. I'll see you in the next video.